Okay, we're recording this 4 p.m. on the 8th of June 2024, where we are trying to log the event if this is gonna be triggered by an S3 event. So we're going to change this to S3 event. We're going to deploy this, and we're going to upload a file in our S3 bucket. Let's upload this. So this upload is going to trigger this Lambda function because this is from S3. It's gonna be its trigger, and it's going to let's go to CloudWatch log group. This is our Lambda function. Let's select this. So there's an S3 event. So this is the record. So we want to capture, what is this here? Okay, so we want to capture records, dot records. Okay, so we're gonna put here event dot records, right? Event dot records, then the first object, then get the s3 dot s3. So let's see what is inside this. Okay, so let's deploy this again, and let's make another upload. One or more properties. What? Transmission. Third World War, third round. A decade of a weapon and sound above ground. Ain't no shelter if you're looking for shade. I like shine and a Bluetooth charade. So it's gonna go to dot bucket dot. Where's the name? Okay, so dot object dot key. So it's going to be s3 dot object dot key, right? So dot key. Okay, so that is the key. So if we're going to get this, if like that, then um, else like that. We're gonna put this outside, and so this is going to be a lit. Let params is equals to, okay, so let params is equals to like that. Oops. But if this one has a value, let's close this. It's going to be params item Marshall, and ID is going to be the, will be the ID e tag sequencer, maybe sequencer object dot sequencer, and the name would be this one here. Alright, so I guess that is correct. Deploy, and then yeah, let's see our DynamoDB here. Let's delete all of this. Let's upload another one. The magazine dear. Everybody's been here. Alright, there you go. So we have a sequencer and we have the key that is inserted in our DynamoDB. So that is working. Let's review what we did. So the code here is like this. DynamoDB put item command, we get it from AWS SDK client DynamoDB. We added this Marshall here so that this will, I don't know, it will make sure that our item here will be valid maybe for DynamoDB. So our object here will be valid for DynamoDB. So because this is going to be the item. And this table name is the table name of our DynamoDB. Then we create a DynamoDB client. We instantiate a DynamoDB client. We configure its region, and then after we have decided which one to use, here we are then sending a put item command with the params that we've configured. We instantiate a put item command and then send it using the DynamoDB client that we instantiated here. And then we return a status code 200 and a message that data was inserted successfully. So that's it. Yeah, DynamoDB S3 is going to trigger our Lambda. So we just added a create trigger here, and then we selected the S3, then the bucket. There we only have one bucket here, and the event type is all event type here, and we acknowledge, and then that's it. All right, thanks. Bye bye.